Hello, Loose Shirt here. I've got a package from HJ from Sweden by Topher, who was gracious enough to handle a lot of these for us US folks. And I don't know that I'll pick this online or out of the package, but definitely wanted to open it up and show you. It's a challenge lock, but there's some other goodies in here, I believe. So this is D8. Let's see what else we got. Oh boy. Turkish pepper. Oh boy. He knows I like hot stuff. I don't know if I can handle that, but I'll try it. It's kind of cool. And let's look at the lock. It's a really nice little case he's got there. Oh, there's one on the side. There we go. Ah, got even more candy. A sour one. I know I'll enjoy that. And licorice. I think it's a licorice. Trying to read the ingredients, but I don't know the language. But I will try that. I'll try all of this, or at least these two, when I do pick this lock. This was what he really wanted me to see. That is a substantial lock. Wow. It's an ASSA D12. I want to get one of these stock just to have. It's 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But look at that keyway. Wow. And I don't know how well you can see the first pin from the first chamber. It really sits very low to the bottom of the warding here. That's going to be rough. And oof. So AJ, originally this would have had barrels in it, and AJ manufactured some of his own pins for the challenge lock. And that is going to be a challenge to pick, but I will give it a shot. So I'm going to stop the video here, and we'll pick up in the vise after a little bit. Thanks. Hey, Loose Shirt here. So this is the second part of the HJ ASSA D12. Had some time to play with that. And before I do that, I thought I'd try some of HJ's candies. Turkish pepper. Smells like licorice. Tastes like licorice. It's salty. Well, the outer casing is not bad. We'll find out in a minute. in the meantime, let's give this a shot. So I'm using a Peterson 15 thousandths. It's the only thing that I have currently. Can really get in there. And I found that the 6 pin is a check pin type. We'll open it up in a minute, show you. So I've overset. Let's try it again. Okay, finally getting somewhere. There it is. Woo! So the key here is just for this one, the 6 pin. If you don't get that set, it's just so hard to get in that keyway. All right. So the Turkish candy, Turkish pepper, it's not particularly something I enjoy, but I'm glad to have tried it. I'd like to try this one. Lacrosol. Maybe it'll be sweeter. No. But I'm still glad to have tried it. Okay. I have no fingernails. So one is a thin down barrel. Two a spool that's in half, I guess. Another barrel that's been trimmed down. Similar, a little sharper. Whoops. little bit deeper. And it's almost like a screw. It's not, but it's going to act like kind of a screw. Those serrations catching. Uh-oh. To figure out which one goes where later. I know that one goes on the end. That's the one I fought so much. If you don't get that set right, so the key cuts are kind of chiseled, and the pin actually fits down like inside of there, like that. And what I've seen and read about the purpose is that they can, oops, oh man, I dropped that. They can get away with mastering without with just changing key cuts. Okay, so that's what the plug looks like. You can see the serrations inside there. And modifications that HJ has done on the pins will catch in those pretty nicely. The biggest part, though, this is not a bad lock to pick, except for that damn keyway, because that is just rough. But I certainly appreciate and enjoyed giving this a shot. This was a real treat. I appreciate it. Thank you for the candies as well. And I'll give you a close-up. Thank you again. You guys have a great day. See ya.